Hello, everyone. Now I'd like to introduce this product to you. This is the cam adjusting buckle. It is made of nylon and has a matte surface. It can be used for backpack strap, belt, water bottle lanyard and other adjustment belt. It's very simple to use. Lift the cover of the cam buckle first. Insert the appropriately sized webbing into the gap between the cover and the base. Then close the lid again. This way the strap will be fixed and won't slide easily. Or you can turn the tape over. Insert it into the gap from behind the lid. Position the straps well. Close the lid again. The straps are still firmly fastened. They don't slide easily. And it also forms a closed ring, as long as the tape you use is long enough. You can adjust the size of the ring by adjusting the length of the band. That way, you can adjust the size of the ring depending on what you want to hang, such as adjusting the length of the straps according to the size of the water bottle, so that the bottle is firmly fixed and will not slip. We have 20 mm, 25 mm and 38 mm black in stock. We can customize the color. Support OEM and ODM. Come and contact us.